Hello and welcome to the latest forecast from the Met Office. Not much use out of the big coat in my case so far this autumn, but I might need to dig it out for later this weekend. It's not going to be particularly cold, but it will be a marked contrast compared to the very mild weather we've seen recently. A mild start this weekend, then it turns colder with temperatures heading back towards average, but brighter skies accompany the colder air with some sunshine on Sunday. A lot of cloud, meanwhile, across the UK on Friday night. There has been some sunshine during Friday, especially in the east. The cloud tends to fill in those cloud breaks on Friday night. A few spots of drizzle continues in the west, especially around hills and coasts. More persistent wet weather for the far north of Scotland, pushing into Shetland for a time, and a mild start to Saturday for all of us once again, but a grey start across the board, I think. Some brighter interludes perhaps through these central areas ahead of the weather front. The weather front brings a wet start to the north of Scotland, and then that rain sinks into Northern Ireland, the central belt, southern Scotland late morning before clearing by lunchtime, and actually brighter skies, but blustery showers follow for Scotland and Northern Ireland. In the south it stays mild, 13 Celsius with a lot of cloud cover and a few spots of rain and drizzle, and then we've got the weather front separating things across central parts. So for Northern England, North Wales, late afternoon, early evening, some damp weather. But as that weather front sinks south, it is petering out, so really it's just patchy rain on it. The more significant result of the weather front is its clearance southwards and its introduction of much colder air. And so fairly widely, Wales northwards, temperatures into the low single figures by Sunday morning, a touch of frost in places, particularly out of the breeze. The weather front then clearing into the near continent, and we're all into that colder but brighter weather for Sunday itself. The air coming from the north, but it's not desperately cold at this stage. And for many parts, it's a bright start to Sunday, and although there'll be, well, a colder feel to things, especially in that wind in the north and the east, as well as some showers, especially for Wales, southwest England, eastern England, northern and eastern Scotland, Northern Ireland, there will also be plenty of bright weather. And out of the wind with some sunshine, western Scotland, northwest England, feeling very pleasant indeed. High pressure then builds in, milder for a time later Monday and into Tuesday and Wednesday, but watch what happens next. Later Wednesday, another northerly plunge, this one looking more potent, likely to bring colder weather later next week with some wintry stuff mixed in as well. We'll keep you updated on that, of course, and you can find those updates on social media. Bye-bye.